Ahe GC News, Mima Ovidia Akwaba. Nasi when you subscribe to the channel that necessary over subscribe. Aremeyaw Anas say over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We understand DVD be upload. Also once I can be a few years now what like video don't like video mind give us a thumbs up. Now share my offer for so now when you be here now who ya airco. Afriyie and Sammy about it to ya and 7 since I had the latest and hot news in Kwana the Bremo in Jizemo.
Ya hwe anima ya siwa konyan kwanhia ede na si ya no kura ntina me fro eya nkomo na me no bedi nti kura no kura da me no ni nkomo ede na ato pot ya wantumi ama studio
me na se bebre ntia ajefo
facha me so say me this table me ni asi facha me so
good aja beba na tese di esi ya no majino ho amenti asie na bitimi ho pass from my on the security point of view, no. What you go say a deliberate.
Deliberate say then how to deliberate.
Ka wa practicing chain na meba. Say a bad said by say you say what to tete. My next matter media enka say me bubu afa so say me yeden. What the film
So when accident.
Yes, Abrano. Vienna, me say, on the Nkabisi, Naya Paisha, on immediately, the panel home before like Obedan movie, all that,
yeah.
But who was I the
we show remorse be
watching juicy news on YouTube. Hot news.
And I overtold you say Boakye ni pana na share that pretty accident.
No police. My for when you have no for the book to jail no pacho that and I'm saying oh people what did I have to say oh pacho. You see the longest you know say maybe I suspect some kind of a CCB. So you know.
Who suspected it?
I don't know dear. Maybe suspected a deliberate. Because the acquired you know. No, I can't say under normal circumstances I didn't see.
Wow.
Easy.
When on the car say kasi?
Oh media no one media no cry.
When are now driving?
Me and Nana me driving.
Registered the car. Car is registered.
Oh, I registered.
What did the person on team?
I registered. What I make say for 1 or 2 things, you know, me better me call into details. Car no a park si baby nti wo nam kwa so banana or cross you and I say now so a park na utu no kwes ade. Dabi. Maybe ba or do a park in chain. A car wa park in chain.
Na wo ben no otisi wani mprekope
me na me ka kiro opo all abenya meja mu bo mu nyina
gina ho ma de pem no
I just me de kopim no me jaja ma me make it clear double lane ya ba me o outer lane kana me ken apart sin chain just wo tu ya me bo abenka no me manim akọ my I said my chaka no kakra eti abo the door no the front door Angel. Second door no boom just and break me apply and making sure say must slow down there and get the papa
Angel I press for my camera boko
I'm got my Kennedy Agyapong. But for the sake of you know, me ma catch up say, what I will do whatever I need to do. But me shady.
O se dey party na esi ono aga so kana se o se dey pa on esi.
That's it. Ali odi I na make no.
Asare brand.
My yen komu bebre.
Mate.
Na me ye 1212 bi. Se nyankopon ya adom na se echina mitimi ba ho a meka ne ewo mu nyina amiya hu
Ye bon pa say Nyankopon so be ya do.
Ka de wo mu nyina mi ehu. Na me de be me nim say amanfo bi na yes ade no. Me emmo mi hu.
Kuma si ahwan no ayi body o gidi yesu be yo.
Ma kika check akra. Me na mo a me study driver behavior. E just e obi a odi mu sa de mana. E bi anko wakuna to atwene. So on yet no. Nti odi ma me enya me 1212 bi na me twade.
Yeah ka say o hin sisi ai.
Oh, sisi ma free police station ho no mo.
And ni parents wo jana ma police for no.
Ma jana ma police for no.
Na say china so mo kwatwetwe mo anu asem Ghana mra o.
Odi
Ghana mra e china mo be sen akwa kwatwetwe mo anu asem no.
Odi me mpesa be komu bebre ba. Jambo cha me ba me ka ho asem.
Ya bon paye. Ya ma trin kwanso ani wo mo aye na ka ho.
Me da say me ka judge for say sorry sir sinisa.
There will be serious surprises in the Volta and in the Ashanti region.
Really?
Yes. Don't underrate it. In the Ashanti region, what all probably MPP for now and Kazabuzomo. Ye ko buse ko ye juma and almost do have to so buse MPP for was as I say their strategy no more campaign. There will be a big surprise. A plus constituency friends.
That should be. Is it Agona East? Gomwa Central. Okay. Gomwa Central.
Tobazo bit Messi.
Gomwa Central.
Oh, of course. They should
watch. A plus the independent candidate.
But they should watch him. Both parties, you know, they should watch him. And I say, I did you with the Mitchell with the don't catch away there. Oh, Zanakwe. I found a rapture. Oh, with the but watch the guy. With the Feribia to Jabba, watch his progress and monitor the constituency. With the monitor. That's why I'm calling for no and the promoter consensus because of the report by the question mark at said the likelihood of an upset to only high. Because I really don't think that the can I wrong.
Yeah.
With the monitor guy, no, his building capacity and then check the home grounds and so. If you don't declare any papa, you check it.
At Semper FM.
Check it. Me because I can't say you see. But Oyenya Edge
Gomwa Central.
Yes.
When the MP say MPP for seat, right?
MPP.
MPP. Yeah.
Only deputy minister.
Interior.
I know free. None year.
He's still there. Oba na bema.
Oba. He's on the quiet too.
Oh, okay. And you're not, or that's why interior deputy interior minister. I'm not too sure. MP for the Gomwa Central.
So it's going to be an interesting place.
Yeah.
Very interesting place.
I think A plus presence changes the dynamics.
It changes a lot of dynamics. Anna, back to deputy agric minister former.
That's your friend is saying. Say
George Odru.
You call last 4 years.
George Odru.
New Dubiase.
Yes.
New Dubiase.
Yeah. George Odru.
Yeah.
And a footballer manager.
Sure.
Salam. Another interesting area.
That constituency is very interesting.
What I say? Interesting area. And then Sunyani East, and Sunyani West. There could be a shock.
Sunyani East and West.
Yeah, there could be a shock.
And he's an independent candidate.
Yeah.
But this guy knows what he did with Sunyani.
Yeah, he's a popular guy. Your popularity, reflection in votes, they're different. I met me a my your popularity fine. That young man has been with them for ages.
No MPP
no a known MPP person. Okay. So I tell you, I'm not feeling in the crowd. Why ye Juma so potem honum?
Ransford.
Yeah, Ransford. Why ye Juma potem honum? And clearly, so I'm jeja omo obi. Obe simple. Because the question is say, at this year what MPP mo a yes am me American was omo koma so nyo. Omo no I say po.
Sa.
Omo muna say kusu.
Sunyani West MPP for.
Tunina. Omo muna say kusu.
Eastern so.
Yes. It maybe the end say yeah, we are observing the space and telling probably say we bet my say. And another area is Owusu and the doctor.
Yeah, that's Cape Coast North.
Owusu and the doctor.
Lecture
another fantastic results. It is both parties should work hard. All this I'm saying is because you and your team have assigned people already.
Yeah.
And then my tips of it. But I'm happy with the job they have done so far because most of the arguments are more advanced for shocks and surprises. It's real. So as I say, baby, I better not can be the catcher and say on penny pa. I'm out for born them. I don't mean unfortunately, that is how we have to let you know that. Yeah, look at Google. Yes, so that's what me free on camera. Nebufu brebuso. It mean possible didn't come across my canal from. One more phone by all the catches. Your bar now pam. Yeah, Casa was you to the oh. But a public office person. Some of these things a big heart to be accommodated.
Yeah.
Very important. Very, very important. So as I say, enter the voter region. The probability to say sit Baku MPP is like crisscrossing also to Ashanti region. There will be serious surprises in the voter and in Ashanti region.
Really?
Yes. Don't underrate it. In Ashanti region, we don't probably say MPP for now Kasabusomo. Ye ko busa
sure.
And almost we have to so busa MPP for no as say their strategy no more campaign. Now busa say NDC for their strategy no more campaign Ashanti region. The NDC on daily basis is becoming visible. It's penetrating. I say nana only among yourself for dim koma. So we could 3,000 votes. No, be no nya 50 votes, or even 80 votes and 100 votes. Obi, Odipano, we peja no na ebia oman eba form. No crane say in Ashanti region there is no plan. But wherever we pass,
news on YouTube.
And even the wonder is that people are now emboldened. Obi me manufacture no unicorn house where no question. NDC at the Unicorn House. Unicorn House. All I'm sure is O level. Unicorn House. How can you wear an NDC attire? Whoa. What's all you can? Otherwise, feel crown. Who a bear hole and a bantam. NDC.
Flag at
neighborhood. If you don't, this is to gain. There's nothing like. And no crowd as a man who say, your democracy, no. So what I say,
which is good for us.
Very good. I am who can say, oh, so be crying and yagina, you need to atena abum semi. Yagina Ghana a conkain. That is why I also urge NDC, if they are able to come to power, I won't consider those people who have taken too much risk. Are known hard areas for the MPP. Likewise, the MPP are because that's a tough area. To break your my bad for Amau, I'm going to be deficient in parliament.
Sure. And comment to me and
so the Amau the Obo and some theaters.
Sure, it's true.
So it's about these.
But the truth of the matter is 2024 there would be very interesting surprises. I mean, few of those constituencies.
Last surprise of Amakwata constituency.
Yes. Amakwata.
The constituency.
Amakwata constituency.
Yes.
That's Etiwa West.
The East.
That be East here. Deputy Finance Minister. No. Etiwa West. No surprise. Saying.
Odi Agura for the first time.
NDC meets me
for the first time. You see. Nyame kwana we no the aboa me say nyame na say come say dan me ka say ekoto so a MPP NDC mpemfo bi e screenshot to your mama NPP for nyame na me ka the constituency executives na ka so me kwa campaign o matiada. You know the problem the parties are facing now, especially the MPP.
Yes,
the flow of money for trusted and credible people to go and work effectively and efficiently with that money both parties in are lacking, but especially the MPP. Jisika Fakoye Jumama party.
Obi out this kind of beshen in same. Said Jane Fakofom. Akwaya Sam.
One never go for.
That's what I say. Muslim, the DC.
I know we said DC or here. Now I can also tell you that MPP DC foreign and Mensah crash for now why are we even having this conversation? Because we are exposing a certain deficiency. Yeah, I don't think we DC for the much short term they are peeved. For some DCs want this party our and co-opposition. Now share the political history of this country. 8 years now, and there are a lot of issues nearby.
Yeah, it's true.
8 years, they be my DDR main, a bit to visit a trauma, a bit to visit
yes. Yes.
So what I say, it's
true. It's true.
So
it's true. But one constituency in so I think you're called Ashanti. Andy Honekry.
Asante Achim
North.
Asante. No, Asante Achim Emunao. One was a guy, no. There was a dear pigeon in Mukosu, and say, the double feed, you know. So at Salt FM.
Salt FM, sure.
To be by.
Yes. I'm a Kamua, Omoji, license now.
Akofa Krum, or say, a quite bishuna, Subasia, or Binting, and the Shensa womb. Oh, yeah, the cousin, the BA who you pardon that. Yes, see, or mine. Yes, see, or mine. Yes, Ube watch any real doso. Say Obaje the city papa Ajitu says will be a man 1 million every month. Can you imagine? You'll be not. Hey, when you make Kazakas, 1 million now, you'll be any. It is what you patch the count.
Oh, I know. We are saying, everybody may have an oxygen. Wait, oh, mammy, oh, you know, we be sure we can go. I don't know because who do you put us on after what I want to can you imagine, Charlie? I say, but is and the minister assembly now.
Yes.
Obi, a bit technical, but I bet try say ye be muma sebeya ye tear phone so betin your manase. Ghana for etia nra bi frame na honorable na sise na di na yo mabo agu na chese ene ensem bebre obi a wode oka ni nyina so akwaye commentary ekoso o radio so ne se di obi a eka ne de obi me to me bo ase pa se me checha de num kakra ama amanfo ate ase nse Kofi Adams running you through the facts nti me mpese mesa akọ eye ambulance honsem a eye NDC aban a etwa mu omo yeso mu koto ambulance bi aba ambulance na ba na besi na kranya adwuma entui ana aban yi ba na aban ne hu se enkrata sem ni sika sem no nyema bi anko yie nti wo se ye de omo edi animu eye sa nyoma ekogina emranim ana ekogina emranim no mo de call high court is office sika ne wom na naso tuntumi fan court bia na high court no so edi asem no obi eye criminal matter ani ye ka no criminal matter de ye oman no ene wo nipa no na enya enti oman no lawyer mpanyimfo na ba bedi animu edi asem no be court akwa se oman ni sika na ayira no yensa beka nti nyese bia aban no na epe obi aye ne bone ana ope obi aye a criminal matter bia obi I am yet to see or to read any criminal matter yes say and yet state prosecutors and so that narration or argument is neither here nor there. It has always been the case and it will remain the case until say be a best science. Every criminal matter be me as a lawyer from law school ya kind criminal law ya can kind in a every criminal matter is against the republic. And in China, republic versus and I say assume versus the republic. It happens. It may do maybe quite a Republican state state versus. For no crowd there now who say yes Majite, IGP. Yeah. I mean, you know, because now he was representing the states. And let's set the record straight. So every criminal matter is against the republic.
Sure.
And state prosecutors are now buying a lawyer for and the beba ababedi assembly.
No, what you call Mikhail said GCD so and now so when you subscribe, yeah, let's just say over subscribe. Now, what like it, happy, watch a video, the map of so in maybe now won't. Also, get me Otchere what in Afriyie and some now a walk comment boxing. Nobody in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.